All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add in these bounding lines. So I'm going to go to CAD, I'm going to create a line string, and we're just going to call it paving section line, I guess. Give it some type of name. I'm going to put on a layer, same thing, I'm just going to call it TO underscore paving section dash 3D. We can keep it white or black. Actually, it'll show a black on a white background. Give it a thickness, protect it, and let's stick it on propose 3D and close. And what we're going to do is click OK, and we're going to come in here. And actually, if we take a look at this, we can see that our edge breakline actually goes through this section in here, right? So we're gonna have to fix that too now that I look at this. But what I'm gonna do is pick a coordinate, and I'm just gonna come in here, and I'm just gonna snap to that corner there, and we'll go all the way over to this corner over here. Okay. And we probably should have done this before we put that edge breakline in there. So I'll show you how to fix that here next. I'm going to go new, keep everything the same, and I'm just going to join this line here, this line here. We'll go new, and I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to basically pick that point there. And I'm going to come down here and we'll go ahead and just grab the end of this line here. Okay. Then new, we'll do the same thing. Grab this point in here. We can get rid of that yellow line eventually here. We can turn that off. That's actually under layers here. Turn that off. It gets rid of that yellow line. That'll help us. Let's go back to coordinate here. And I want to just come down to this one and snap to that perpendicular. So if I right click, I can choose perpendicular and pick to line or segment, and I'm just going to pick that, and you can see it snaps into that point right there. And we'll just go new, and I'll come in here and I'm going to pick this, and I'm going to pick this, and that should be all we need to do on those boundary lines. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you here is I'm going to take this edge line, and we can do a couple things. It looks like we're okay here because it's going, but it's really just up here. What we can do is right click and edit, and you can see it comes in through here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically pick this point here, and I'm just going to click delete and delete, and we'll click delete one more time so it goes all the way over to there. Now I'll come back over here, and I'm going to pick this point here, and I'm going to delete that one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So that now it takes that back to there. So that's probably better. Okay. And I'll close that. And we still have to categorize these because that layer needs to be defined in the design. So under unknown, I'm going to come over here. We're going to pick the paving section. We'll grab this one. We'll put that on design and reassign it. Under design, we are going to pick the edge break line which is surface edge, as well as the paving section one we just created, and we will set those to contain potential boundaries. Alright, so make sure we got those and close that. Alright, so now we should be ready to drop in our site improvements for our paving sections, and I'll show you that next.